Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to use a PS4 controller on an iPad for PUBG. First, make sure your PlayStation 4 controller has sufficient battery life. Next, open the Settings application on your iPad and navigate to the Bluetooth menu. Turn on Bluetooth if it isn't already active. Then, grab your PS4 controller and simultaneously press and hold the Share button and the PlayStation button until the light bar begins to flash rapidly. This indicates it's ready for pairing. Once your controller is in pairing mode, look at your iPad's Bluetooth device list. You should see DualShock 4 wireless controller appear. Tap on this option to initiate the connection. The light bar on your PlayStation 4 controller will change from flashing to a solid color, typically blue, indicating a successful pairing. Your iPad and controller are now wirelessly linked, ready for gaming. This process usually takes less than 10 seconds. Now that your controller is connected, let's talk about PUBG Mobile. While some mobile games offer direct controller support, PUBG Mobile's official support for PlayStation 4 controllers can be limited. You might find that certain in-game actions don't automatically map. It's crucial to check the game settings for any available controller customization. Some players use third-party mapping tools, but be cautious, as this could potentially go against the game's terms of service. To optimize your gaming experience, consider investing in a controller clip that can hold your iPad, providing a more ergonomic setup. Within PUBG Mobile, if controller settings are accessible, take time to fine-tune sensitivity levels and customize button layouts to your preference. Remember, adapting to a controller on a mobile game takes practice. Spend some time in training mode to get comfortable with your new control scheme before jumping into intense matches.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.